stomp. Connect with Choco Jams. Jolly Jolly. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Oh no, Jill went weak, rolling, tumbling, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Whoopsie, whoopsie, careful now, let's try again somehow. Up Jack got and home did trot, stomp, stomp, as fast as he could caper. He went to bed and wrapped his head with vinegar and paper. The next day Jack and Jill went up the hill. Careful steps, they won't repent. They fetched the water safe and sound. Now we're falling to the ground.